Hello, YouTube people. My name is Mark. I'm kind of going to be on here helping myself, and I with their train project, getting the switch yard set up and get them going. I spend a lot of time doing other things and helping to take care of dogs, getting food, making food, simple things. I don't do anything complex. I've been on disability since 2010. I have problems with my back, and I have chronic migraines, so I get to wake up every morning with a migraine. So it takes me a little bit to get going in a day, and some days it just don't happen. Like I say, I do have a 3D printer. I guess my problem is I never learned how to make anything in the computer to print, other than simple, my phone sits on a phone stand that I made, so, little simple things. But never done buildings and complex things, and one day I'll learn how to do a car and all that stuff. I plan on learning all of it, but right now I couldn't tell you how to build anything in there. Suggestions, advice, criticism, all those things are good. And I will be looking to find out where I could get some files for printing on a 3D printer. Like I say, I do have a 3D printer. I guess my problem is I never learned how to make anything in the computer to print, other than simple, my phone sits on a phone stand that I made, so, little simple things. But never done buildings and complex things, and one day I'll learn how to do a car and all that stuff. I plan on learning all of it, but right now I couldn't tell you how to build anything in there. So my grandfather was an engineer for B&O Railroad. That was when it was just B&O, before they all started coming together. C&O and B&O actually made an agreement and worked together first, because B&O was running out of money. Then they decided to go ahead and form the chassis system. That was from B&O, C&O, New York Central, and Pennsylvania, I believe. And then after that, it would take a little bit more time, and they decided to put their money together and buy out Western Maryland Railway. Then, what is it, 1980, I think? I think it was 1980 that they decided, the chassis system finally decided to merge with the Seaboard Coastline, and that's what created the CSX system, which now has CSXT, which really, they're still just CSX. CSXT is training for emergency services. And that's what I know so far. But that's about it. Anybody have animal lover? I got 4 dogs right now, and pretty much an animal lover. I don't know what they call me. Animals come to me, whether they're, people always warn me to get away. Their dogs, it will bite me. Dogs don't bite me. Squirrels come up to me. Anything that's outside, if I stand still and talk to it, it'll come up to me. So I don't know what they call that. But it's interesting. So we'll get started with the railroad. And, well, stockyard first. Work on that first. And then we'll see where we can go. See who we can get connected with. Hope we'll be seeing y'all there. Have a good one. This is Katie. This is Jenna. This big lazy one down here. It's Carly. She's about, everybody asked me, Belgian Malinois. And there's a Rottweiler around here somewhere. There she is. She's in her room. Hey. Hey. People are going to look at you. Look. Look. Yeah, well, yeah, whatever. Chew your legs more.